he'll stay there in the library, but he'll get to watch you children as you're in the library, and he'll get to see books, and he'll be in that cage where you can see him and he can see what's going on, but he won't know what's... What? Wait, now, Humphrey, you were locked up. Humphrey's here. Well, Humphrey, how did he get out? Oh, but I'll have to tell you, since he's here, this is Humphrey, our hamster, who's here to visit us. And, well, Humphrey, since you're here, why don't you help the kids see some of these books? You like books. Humphrey likes books. Humphrey, show him how you like books. He likes books, people. No, not eat them. Not eat them, Humphrey. No. Like this one's about a cat. Don't you like that? All right, well, this one is about a dog. No, it's a good book, boys and girls underneath. Great book. Oh, here's one about raccoons. How about that? Raccoons? No, this won awards, National Book Award. What? Well, what books do you like? You like any of them? Oh, Humphrey books, of course. He likes the Humphrey book, and we have several Humphrey books. Humphrey is a series of 12 books, boys and girls. We don't have all of them. We have at least 4. Probably we'll have more. But now, Humphrey, since you're here, why don't you? It's good, isn't it? Yeah, it's good. But why don't you help me? Each day they're going to have some vocabulary words, and we can. You with me, Humphrey? All right. So each day they'll have some vocabulary words, and you can kind of help me teach the children something that's coming up. Like for instance, Humphrey, nocturnal. Now that means an animal that's nocturnal. During the day, what do? That's right. That's what they do. That's what they do now.
And I followed
Okay. And at night, Humphrey, what does a nocturnal animal do? Yes, they're wide awake and ready to go. Very good. All right, Humphrey, you awake? Yeah. Okay. Another vocabulary word is queasy. Yeah, that's how you feel when you're queasy, for sure. Yeah. What about this? Yeah, he's still right. Another one is jittery. Humphrey is jittery quite a bit, boys and girls. That's kind of who he is. Yes, he is jittery. What about, let's see, I'm going to use these to help you do these next ones. Well, one of the words is grasp, which he has grasped my basket. And gnaw is one of our vocabulary. Yes, he is gnawing. He enjoys that. What about chomp? Yes, chomp is one of our vocabulary words too, as you can see what that one definitely means. Humphrey's a smart hamster, boys and girls. Yeah, you can have that later, okay? We'll make a deal. You can have that later. Now, there's some things that hamsters like. They like to groom themselves. Yes. Now, they don't have a brush and comb, but who needs one when you've got these good paws? Yes, hamsters groom themselves. Now, they also like, boys and girls, hamsters like to be petted. They like to be petted on the head. And they like to be petted on the tummy. They love their tummy rub, boys and girls. That just feels so good to them. Yes, it does. They love to have their tummy rub. Yes, that's good. That's good. Now, they also like, besides the fruits, they love cereal. They kind of like cereal. Hamsters, they don't use knives and forks. They can't. Yeah, they like cereal. Okay, that's good. We're putting cereal away. Now they're also curious. Hamsters are curious. Oh dear. They are curious, but yeah, they get it. They get it, hamsters. They're curious. Oh, look out, boys and girls. He's going in the audience. He's supposed to be locked up in the cage, but as you may have read, sometimes that cage is the lock that doesn't go back to the cage, Humphrey. He's so curious, you know. Humphrey, time to go back. He's just, well, he's just not into this. There is another fact about hamsters you might need to know. They, if you can't get your hamster to go back in the cage, and this is in the story, you can use some sunflower seeds and make